Welcome students. Today we'll discuss topic from social and political life, how state government works. In standard 6, you have learned that there are three levels of government in India, that is local, state and national. Local government at local level, state government at state level and national government at national level. Today we will discuss in detail about state government, its functioning, working, formation and also about meaning of MLA, its role and also the role of state legislative assembly, that is Vidhan Sabha. There are 29 states in India and every state is having its own popular government. That means there are 29 states in India. Assembly constituency. Each state is divided into different areas for election of state legislative assembly called as assembly constituency. For example, Goa is divided into 40 assembly constituencies. That means there are 40 assembly constituencies in Goa. MLA. MLA people elect their representatives from each constituency called MLA. MLA means member of legislative assembly, as we had 40 MLAs in Goa. Now we'll discuss about majority party and opposition party. Majority party, a political party which own more than half the number of constituencies in a state is called majority party. For example, Goa Legislative Assembly, that is Vidhan Sabha, has 40 MLAs. That means to have majority in Goa Vidhan Sabha, political party should have minimum 21 seats or more than that out of 40 seats. Thus, the political party which got highest seats, more than the half of the total seats in the Vidhan Sabha, forms the government in a state, and that is called ruling party. Opposition party. The political parties not in the government is called opposition party. For example, in Goa, BJP is the ruling party and Congress and other parties are in the opposition. After election, MLAs of majority party elects their leader called as leader of majority party. The leader of majority party claims to form government in a state. The governor of a state appoints him as chief minister of the state. Governor also appoints other members of council of ministers. Thus, government is formed in a state. Now we'll discuss about Council of Ministers. The Chief Minister and other members form Council of Ministers. Chief Minister is the head of Council of Ministers. Council of Ministers discuss and decide on important issues of the state. The Chief Minister and other ministers have the responsibility of running various government departments or ministries. Powers and functions of Chief Minister. He is the head of Council of Ministers. He is the head of the state government. He presides over the meetings of cabinet. He coordinates functioning of all ministers. He allocates portfolios to the ministers. So these are some main important functions of Chief Minister. The Chief Minister and Council of Ministers decides and frames laws for the state and runs the government. Whenever discussions are being taken by the state cabinet, that is a Council of Ministers, have to be approved in the state legislative assembly, that is called the Vidhan Sabha, in the form of laws. So now we'll discuss the functioning of legislative assembly or Vidhan Sabha. Legislative assembly. It is a place where all MLAs, whether from ruling party or from opposition party, meet to discuss various things and issues of public interest. It debates on various issues of the state in relation to health, education, transport, industries, public health, budget, etc. In the assembly, members can ask questions, debates on an important social issues, decides about expenditure and income of the state, revenue, etc. CM and other members of Council of Ministers are responsible to give answer to the questions and debates in the assembly. Thus, Council of Ministers is responsible to the Vidhan Sabha. Role of social media or mass media. The social media, that is radio, TV, newspaper, plays an important role in awakening and informing the people about policy decisions of the government. Officials of Vidhan Sabha. Speaker and Deputy Speaker are the official of Vidhan Sabha. Speaker is the head of Vidhan Sabha. He presides over the meetings of Vidhan Sabha. In absence of Speaker, Deputy Speaker holds all powers and working of Vidhan Sabha. So you can see here in the picture the mass media and also the picture of assembly where the speaker is controlling the assembly. Now we'll discuss about main powers and functions of Vidhan Sabha and also about legislature in Goa. Main powers and functions of Vidhan Sabha. The main function of Vidhan Sabha is to pass laws on the subject mentioned in the concurrent and state list, to pass annual budget of the state, to levy taxes and reduce taxes. So this is in short about powers and functions of Vidhan Sabha. Legislature in Goa. The Goa has unicameral legislature. Unicameral means legislature having only one house, that is a Vidhan Sabha. Goa have only Vidhan Sabha and we don't have Vidhan Parishad in Goa. So with this, I conclude the topic how state government works. In this topic, you learn about state government, its functioning, working, formation, the role of MLAs, and also about the role of state legislature assembly, that is a Vidhan Sabha. Thank you.